Hi everyone, I'm Duane. Today we're going to look at the Quick Access Toolbar, also known as the QAT. The QAT is a toolbar we can customize with the buttons we want, and that's what we'll do. The QAT is available in all Office applications. Today we're going to look at it in Excel. Okay, let's get to it. By default, the QAT is in the top left-hand corner of the screen, above the ribbon. There are certain buttons there. They are the default buttons. I'm going to do a right-click on any button and choose Show Quick Access Toolbar below the ribbon. There it is below the ribbon, easy to see, easy to work with. Now I'm going to show you three methods to populate this toolbar. I'm going to do a right click on one of the buttons. I'm going to choose Customize Quick Access Toolbar. Brings up the Excel options. I'm looking at popular commands and I can choose any button here I like. If I scroll down, I'll come to Sort Ascending. I'm going to hit Add, pops it over on the right hand side along with the other default buttons that are on the toolbar currently. I'm going to hit OK, and you'll see there I've added the A over Z button. Now on the data menu, I'm looking at the Z over A button in the Sort and Filter group. If I do a right click on that, I can add it straight away, just that button by right clicking it. I can put it on the QAT. There's two methods. Third method of adding tool buttons to the QAT, hit the little drop arrow at the end of the QAT, and you'll see there the shortcut menu shows you ticks against the commands that are already there on that QAT. If I choose one like open, it pops it up there as well. Okay, so I've shown you three methods to populate the QAT. Thank you for watching everyone. I hope that's helped. If you'd like to subscribe, please hit the button and we'll see you next time.